Okay, solve the proportion two different ways. Decimal, then fraction. Okay, right, we already have some decimals here and here. Okay, so we just need to change this fraction to a decimal if I'm going to answer it all in decimals. So, 0.2 is okay, 0.03 is okay, the x is okay, but what is 1/10 as a decimal? Now remember, 1 divided by 10 in your calculators is just 0.1, so that's what I can write right there. Okay, there. So remember this cross multiplication, or do the fish technique. So this is you doing this. What is 0.03 times 2? Then divide it by 0.1 will give you the answer. Well, 0.03 times 0.2 equals 0.006. Put it in your calculators and check. Okay, I've still got to divide it by 0.1. Okay, now this is just you doing this. If I move the decimal one place there, it becomes 1. Move that one place there, it's 0.06. Well, 0.06 divided by 1 is just 0.06. Okay, so that is the answer as a decimal. Now, if you want to, it doesn't say about calculating it in fraction form. Okay, so you can just change that decimal to a fraction. Okay, which is you doing this. Remember, it's 6 hundredths. 6 in the hundredths column. Remember, tenths is here, hundredths is here. So that would reduce to 3/50. Okay, and that's the answer in fraction form. But if you had to calculate it, then what you have to do is to change the decimals to fractions. And that's you doing this. So that's okay. But this, remember, 0.2 is 2 in the tenths position. Okay. 0.03 is 3 in the hundredths position. Okay, so that's what you'd be doing. But you don't have to do this if you don't want to. Once you've got the decimal, you can convert it to a fraction. But let's see if we get that 3/50ths again. So, Mr. Fish, 3/100ths times 2/10ths divided by 1/10. So, 3/100ths times 2/10ths equals, what's that, 6/1000? Just 3 times 2 and 100 times 10. That reduces to 3/500. Okay, so I've done that bit so far. Just done the 3/100ths times 2/10ths, which is that bit there. Okay, that bit there. Right, now let's divide it by the 1/10. So 3/500ths divided by 1/10. So remember, copy dot flip. We don't divide by fractions, we multiply by using the reciprocal. Okay. Now you can multiply these and multiply that and reduce. Well, let's just do that. That's 30/500, which reduces to 3/50 when you divide by 10. Okay, so that is the same answer. So whether you do it by decimals or percentages, decimals or fractions, you're going to get 0.06 for decimals and 3/50ths for the fraction. It's the same answer.